Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add concert tickets to Google Wallet. So let's jump right in. Start by opening the app on your phone and ensuring you're logged in with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From the home screen, tap on the Add to Wallet button. You'll see a list of items you can add, such as payment cards, transport passes, loyalty cards, and gift cards. Scroll down to the very bottom and select the option labeled Everything Else. This is specifically designed for items like concert tickets, gym memberships, insurance cards, and similar types of passes. After selecting Everything Else, you'll be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions. Tap Accept to continue. Once accepted, your phone's camera will launch. Position your concert ticket's barcode within the frame to scan it automatically. If the barcode doesn't scan, you also have the option to enter the details manually, or if you have a photo of the ticket saved in your phone's gallery, you can upload it directly from there as well.